In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Red Dead Redemption 2 crashes after 15 to 20 minutes. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So to solve this issue, we might try and use these fixes. So the first fix we can do is to run the game as an administrator. So you want to right click Red Dead Redemption 2 file and select properties. Now choose compatibility tab and select disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. So the next thing we can do is to simply verify the game integrity. So for Steam, you want to restart your computer and launch Steam. Right click on Red Dead Redemption 2, select properties, and simply click on verify integrity of game files. So these are the methods for Rockstar and Epic Games too. So now the next step is to disable the antivirus software temporarily. So since Red Dead Redemption 2 consumes a lot of memory and CPU usage when it's running, many third-party antivirus applications may regard it as a potential threat and cause RDR2 crashing issues. So the next step is to update your video card drivers. You can either do it manually or simply do it automatically. So doing it automatically is more recommended than doing it manually. So the next step is to simply revert back to Vulkan. So you want to revert your rendering API to Vulkan instead of DirectX 12. So here are the steps. So these are some fixes you can do to prevent Red Dead Redemption 2 from crashing. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.